Dumbbell Romanian deadlift. Highly effective resistance exercise over the long term if you get a few things right. So center pressure with the feet, and I want you to focus on getting a deep stretch in your hamstring by maintaining a neutral neck and spine as you go down nice, slow, and controlled. Maybe even an isometric hold at the bottom. You can come up slightly fast, squeeze the glute at the top to complete the movement. Again, the magic in this movement is that neutral neck and spine to ensure you get a super deep stretch of the hamstring, of the glute at the bottom part of that movement, and you can explode up for that contraction. One more thing, make sure you don't have your feet too far apart. That way you get an even better stretch. It's either you have your feet close together or super wide apart for a sumo, but not in between. Otherwise, what are you really targeting?